here too. There's a bat that flew at us one time. I put the pot right there. Is there anyone in here? Well, you guys probably definitely remember us if you are in here from last week.
Is that blood box still in here?
Yes.
Oh, good. I thought somebody stole it. Where is it?
Right.
You're standing on it.
If there's anyone in here, can you come by that doorway?
Look at that.
Shh. Shh. Is there anybody here?
I'm gonna close this door.
Bug. Sure thing. If you want us out of here, can you knock on something loud?
We can hear them talking, it's gonna mess up audio.
Yeah, I turned off mine because unless they go down to the cabin.
Hey, we can still hear you guys.
Do they want to go to the cabin and trade up? Or
Oh wow, my K2's dead. That's odd.
if you're here,
That corner on the right hand side over here where see the laser is, over,
Yeah.
or in that vicinity right there. It's really weird. I get flashes on and off of hot and then cold. It's kind of bizarre. There it goes
Point
again.
the laser
Yeah,
again?
there it goes again.
Where?
right in that corner.
Yeah, there it goes again.
At one time there was
Watch it.
we were in here with women
You
from
recording that,
another
brother?
team,
Yeah.
and from Angels of Light Paranormal side, they were with us.
There it goes again.
And
There it goes again. That's the freakiest thing I've ever seen.
Mind if I see?
Yeah.
they we saw this whole corner turn into a black mass.
Sorry, Clint.
Sorry.
That's a little different.
If you're here, well, I'm getting hits. I'm feeling cold right next to me. Energy.
There it goes again.
Is that the way how it flashes like that?
Yeah, that's just very strange.
You never seen it do this before?
No, not with this. I'm just sitting there pointing it.
If you want us out of here,
Looks like someone's sitting in a chair, like it's hot.
Do you have the REM pod?
Yeah, it's right there in the hallway. Well, not the hallway, but right there, right in the door entrance.
are you okay with us being here? If you are, turn my green light to red.
I'm gonna join Joe. You made me sick last time I was in here. What's up with that? Was that you using my energy?
You know what's weird is I know it's not cold outside, but I'm still feeling every so often a little cold wind behind me.
Yeah.
And I know there's a window.
This window's open.
It's just,
Yeah.
I don't think it's even that cold. Like there's enough.
Is there a breeze out
I'm
there?
getting some solid hits on my K2.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
I'm
little
getting
bit of a
hits on
breeze.
my K2 also. It was going,
Is that you in front of our K2 meters?
yeah. I'm getting at least a yellow.
If that's you, will you put it to red and hold it there?
God, I got measurements all over the board here, guys. Son of a bitch. I'm going from 75 down to 105. So there's something in that corner. Something reading. It's not normal.
And then maybe put the
Or, yeah, the REM pod.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
see if it dissipates. No,
Can you
that's
shine a light? I can't
102 to 74. So there's almost a 30-degree temperature swing.
If you can, put your hand around that antenna for me, please.
Wow.
If you want us to leave, please touch that glowing circle, that sphere right there, as a sign of you wanting us to never come back. Or as a sign that you love us here, you like us.
Oh man, that laser scared me.
Sorry.
That's alright.
I'm going to take a picture real quick. Lock that in.
Oh yeah. Oh, it hits now.
That might have been my phone. Getting so close to being due, I can't move it.
Yeah. If you want this blacksmith shop to be untouched, can you stay? Oh wow, I'm getting hit mega time.
That's my phone.
Oh.
I'm like 100%.
Oh shit! Never did that for you guys. First time ever we got it to work. You want to leave it untouched? Make it blink twice. Do that twice. Off, on, dot, dot. Whoa, I'm feeling energy like crazy, man.
Yeah.
I'm feeling it like crazy. First time it's ever gone
Close
on.
the door.
Okay, can you back away from it now, please? Might be jammed.
No,
Yeah, it's
something's
jammed
fine.
again. But yeah, it was weird that it turned on. Whoa. It wasn't jammed. I didn't even turn it off.
Or very high.
Was it jammed?
No, it wasn't jammed. You know, I usually have to turn it off and back on. I'm feeling pinching on the back of my leg.
Was it on?
Yeah, it's on. It's been on. You know how it got stuck at my mom's house?
Oh yeah.
We had to turn it off and back
Yeah.
on. I haven't even had to turn it off.
If you want us to leave this untouched, well, that's fine. Make that go off again.
Okay.
Now that you know how to do it, if that was you, prove to us that you know how to use it. You're the first person that's ever made that turn on.
Copy this. See if you could do that for me, please.
Doug, you still getting fluctuations in it?
Not right now. Not like I was before. That was weird.
Yeah. Got something weird on.
I don't know, but I'm getting insanely hot.
It's kind of like stuffy in here.
So here I give you the permission to use the energy from my device. If you need any kind of energy to manifest. Do you have the energy, do you have the power to manifest in front of us? We're just looking for a simple confirmation.
Did you torture anybody in here?
Did you die here on this property?